about 46 foot long, this thing.
How long?
About 46 foot over bumpers.
And how many passengers do you carry normally?
Flights to carry about 110. Hello, hi. How you doing? What country?
Korean.
Oh, 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Sorry, from Japan.
Oh, okay.
I'm not Korean.
Are you from
Korean.
Oh, Korea?
Yeah.
Okay. How's that? All right? Okay. 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
So how many languages can you say hello and goodbye and whatever?
Not as good as young Tim, but no, one or two. I suppose it's we've got Japanese, Korean. What else we've got? Samoan.
Chinese, ni hao.
Ni hao, yeah.
Ni shinti hama.
Yeah, with that. And Thai. You know Thai?
I don't know myself, no.
It's over the card. And Australian, it's g'day mate.
So how many nationalities would you get here in the course of a day normally?
Oh, it's hard to tell. You get quite a mix of some days. Some days it can be a whole lot of Australians or Americans, but you get quite a mix. We've had a lot of Scandinavians, a lot of people from Denmark, which is very uncommon. Sweden. We've had Germans on today, we've had Americans, we've had what else have we had? I've had Koreans, Japanese.
And how long have you been driving the tram?
Oh, I'm a part-time driver. I'm the eldest one. Since I started, it's 13 years. It'll be 13 years in April since I started. The tramway's been going February, 13 years in February. Yeah.
What made you interested in trams?
I belong to Tramway Society.
Right.
Yeah.
And how long have you belonged to that?
41 years.
So would you be just about the oldest person?
Oh no, not. I've probably got the older ones, but other folks. The Tramway Society been going for, I think, probably about 47 years.
And you just is this a paying hobby, or do you just volunteer for this?
This is paying here. What I'm driving here, but I drive a transit ferry as well. They get paid down there.
And what's your name?
I'm Tim.
Tim. And how long have you been doing this, Tim?
Oh, just about 6 or 7 weeks.
Tight squeeze.
A bit tight.
Yeah, a bit tight.
That'll do it better.
Alan. I'm Alan.
How long have you been driving, Alan?
I've had a licence for over 30 years.
30?
Yes.
Wow.
1972.
So,
And I've been driving the City Tramway while I was here when it began 13 years ago. And I'm now doing it as part of my retirement, and it's fun.
did you drive as a profession?
No, not until a year ago. But I drove them down at Ferrymead.
Right. Why were you interested in trams?
They're fun. You meet nice people. Excuse me, I must go.
Do you actually get to meet many of the customers doing this, or you're sort of stuck in your...
Not on this one, but on the daytime, on passenger ones, I certainly do.
And
we do driving and conducting, alternating.
And what gives you the greatest pleasure out of that?
Oh, new things every day, new people. It's fun. People are happy.
What's the technical issues with the job?
Oh, you've got to be on the ball all the time. Cyclists, motorists, courier drivers that stop and just leave cars parked on the line. You can't take your eyes off the track for a minute.
Have you ever seen a cyclist get stuck on the track?
No, I haven't. I've been watching for it, but so far I haven't. Do you want me to head away? Because you're due out shortly.
Well, I'm due out. Well, yeah, I'm supposed to leave here at half
Well, you go first.
Okay.
And if you have to shunt
if
up
we have
there,
to shunt, just watch out for us.
you go and we'll follow.
Okay.
He's on his last run, so if you want to get any shots from... Oh, he's away. Alan, I'm Alan.